Hello, hello, my amazing artists, and today we are going to talk about using my friend, the glue bottle. All right, this is an important tool and supply in the art room, and we need to know how to use it. So let's talk about this. When we get our glue bottles from our glue caddies, they should be closed. All right, to open them, to use them, we're going to talk about 3 different parts, okay, of the glue. I want you to imagine that this glue bottle is kind of like a person. It has a head, a neck, and a body, okay? This head part right here is the only part that you want to turn in order to open it. Look at this. There we go. It's open. I can tell because there's a little hole at the top. When I'm ready to use my glue bottle, I have to turn it over. Let me find something to glue here. Aha! A piece of paper. Excellent. When I'm ready to use my glue bottle, I turn it over. I let the glue come down to the bottom. I'm not squeezing yet, though. So just the head is open, not the neck. We never turn the neck. And I use tiny dots, but not a lot. I put some on the corners of my shape. If I really want to, I can smush in those glue dots. Then I take my piece of paper, put it down, and hold it down. I like to count to at least 10, sometimes 20 or even 30 when I'm using this. When I'm finished with my glue, I need to close it so that we don't get it clogged or dried out. So I need to twist back that head all the way. Make sure we're not twisting the neck. All right, boys and girls, when you use glue, remember, 1 dot holds a lot. Never make glue puddles. All right, happy gluing!